All right, so your toilet's running at all times of the day, racking up that water bill. Ain't nobody got money with these tariffs coming in. Don't worry, it's a cheap part. You don't need any tools. All you gotta do is figure out what kind of flapper you need for your toilet. I'll tell you how to figure that out in the video. It's super simple, super quick. Won't be a long video. Let's go. All right, first things first, we're gonna turn off the water. Let's take the top off. You're gonna hit that flush one time. Let's go in there. So what's happening here is this seal is not sealing around here and you're just getting water leakage right in there. I mean, this toilet ain't that old, but she's dripping.
So you just pop off these two little clips on the back. Simple. Get the little metal clip. She a little rusty, so she didn't want to come off. Victory. There you go. You see, it looks good. Nothing wrong with it. It's not that old. Just ain't sealing. Got the old corky here from the Home Depot.
All right, you're probably thinking, Charlie, how do I pick the right one? Well, there's some a little cheat sheet here. Most common, 80% 2-inch. That might be you. Probably you. 80% chance it's you. If not, 3-inch, size of a softball. And if you want to get fancy, they list toilets. So take a minute, look in the back of your tank, then go to Home Depot or support Jeff Bezos and get it from Amazon. I'll put the link to this one, but make sure it's your right toilet. This is a 3-incher. 20% of the toilets out there, apparently. Let's get back to finishing this up.
All right, so this seal right here, you want to check it before you put your new flapper on. Just make sure it's nice and clean. This toilet's not that old, so it's not a problem. Here's the flapper. This one you just clip it on. Kind of hard to film, not a lot of room in there. Put your little chain on. Good to go. Gonna fill her right back up.
Let me get down here by John here. As you can see, you can put your ear here. You shouldn't hear any dripping water. That's what's causing, that flapper's not sealed properly and you're getting some leakage and then it'll run eventually. So we got the new one in. I don't hear any dripping. Put the top back on. No more worrying about the water bill. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell! Till next time. Job done!